Sound flows into the body like a ripple, moving through all the water, which calms the entire system down. It triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, which tells the brain to release the relax chemicals. I've been working as a healer for almost 30 years now, and sound has become my greatest ally. Sound healing can help a person breathe deeper. It can relax the body. It can rejuvenate. It can restore the body's energy. It can release emotional baggage that creates contraction and stress in the body. I'm an intuitive sound healer, which means that I step forth to the person and I'm asking for guidance from them, really, their body, their spirit, their emotions, their thoughts. I know my instruments very well. I know the sounds of them. I know how they work. Some of them just really break things up. Others soothe, ripple. Others calm more deeply into the nervous system. And I allow that to guide me. So I use my voice a lot in sound healing. With my voice, I cup my hands usually and go down on the body. Might make a sound. Some of the sounds that come out are really very strange, actually. Sound healing is the first healing modality with the ancients. They use sound, shamans use sound to connect with God, to connect with spirit, source, whatever you want to call it, to create healing for their people. They had regular practices on a daily basis of chanting and singing and toning. So it is truly a birthright for humanity to use sound healing.